So what this input function performs means it it takes the data. Taking means reading data. We call it as reading. Reading data from the keyboard. Whatever name you type on the keyboard, it reads. It reads and stores in this container. This container is called variable. Just remember, after the program I will explain deeper. This is called variable. The memory container is called variable. Now, input. This input function, actually additionally something I have written. Actually go to ATM. ATM. ATM, every step it guides you. It guides you. Now enter your language, enter your PIN, enter your operation, enter your amount. Like that, every step it guides you. Because of that guidance only, you are able to perform, you are able to use bank ATM. Understand? Here also, this is a program. That is bank ATM uses one program. Here, this is a different program. So, the user should be guided. For guiding a user, what should we give? We have to give a prompt statement. Prompt statement is guiding statement. What guiding statement? Just apply your common sense. What guiding statement you have to give? That is, enter your name. Enter your name. That is the guidance statement. It should be written within bracket, single quotes. Then if you must write that, that is the rule. That is the syntax rule, grammar rule. So one string you write, enter your name. So whoever uses this program, he can understand. He or she can understand. What you understand? Enter your name. Then you enter your name. Let us suppose Arun. Just you enter your name. Then in turn what happen? It reads Arun. Here it is stored here Arun. In the computer memory, here it is stored as Arun. In that manner you understand. Okay, that means where Arun stored in a variable. Variables means nothing but named container. What is the name of this container? Name. Okay. Now your name is stored. You entered name and that is stored. Thereafter, input enter your age. The prompt statement correctly write. You need not bother about grammar. By reading the statement, the string, one should understand what he has to do. Now enter your age. Enter your age means for the sake of age what happened? One more variable is created. Its name is age. Variable means always you remember named memory container. Now enter your age. So you entered your age. Then suppose you entered 21. Then 21 is stored here. Okay. Thereafter, what is the next one? Height. So one more memory container is created. One more memory container is created, and you are using input function. There, enter your height. Enter your height means you are entering your height 5.6. That is stored. Now we see in the memory containers three variables. One in first container your name is stored. Second container 21 is stored. Third container your height is stored. Okay, so you by this reading activity, two operations are done. One is whatever you enter data that is stored in the variables. It is safe in the computer memory. Thereafter, okay, it is in the computer memory. How others can do? How you cannot also see. That's why in order to see that we use another function. Another function is print. The name itself is telling. Actually, input means you are telling it takes input. Now, print means it is telling it prints. Prints means displays on the monitor screen. Don't expect that it prints on the printer. It displays on the monitor screen. Okay. For this purpose, now you are expecting one format. Actually, result is different. Formatted output is different. Suppose simply if you write Arjun 21 5.6. Suppose if I write like that, you are not happy. What is this? You cannot understand. Now see the output. Actually, this is the result. In mathematics, we expect this only. But it is not mathematics. It is a program, computer program. So, we want to serve every result in a perfect format. See, for everything, one perfect format is there. Your marks report is in one format. A bus ticket is in one format. A salary statement is in different format. Here biodata is one format, but there are no rigid rules for that, no hard and fast rules. But biodata is presented like this. One can read it happily without any confusion. Looks elegant also. That point always you remember. Result means this. Formatted output means that. So every time you write formatted output, that only I am expecting. For that purpose, how to use print function. Actually, print function, how to use and all that, let us learn. First, you have written a line. Line, why you are writing, you know that. So, print. Thereafter, one string we are writing. In that, now the dashes you write. One line is printed. Okay. Now, biodata. Next one you see. Actually, biodata, why I have given spaces before it? Because we expect it should be in center. So that's why some spaces we left. First thing is you imitate it, you copy that, I don't mind, but understand and copy that. Thereafter, one by one, after performing programs, you get well acquainted with this. Thereafter, one more line in the same fashion you write. Thereafter, actually, here you get it out. Print where your name is stored in this variable, in this container it is stored. Simply, you can write name you write. Then suppose you entered Arjun is printed. But actually for everything we want labels. That's why what you are writing, name, here one string. You write like that, string label. Thereafter your variable name you write exactly which spelling you used, the spelling, case and all that you should strictly follow. Then how it is printed? If you write this one, only Arjun is printed. If you enter Arjun. Now how it is printed? And name is Arjun. Do you want in this fashion or in this fashion? This is called label. So if you want label, then you write it in this fashion. Okay. Thereafter, age. Now we see. Now, how you want to write? First you should have an idea. Age, label you are writing. Suppose your age is 21. 21 is printed. What 21? Is it 21 rupees? 21 feet? Or 21 years? So, you want years. Simple form also write. YRS write. Okay. In order to produce that, you are writing two labels and one variable. How you write? Print. Okay. Now, one variable you are writing, one label you are writing. You are expecting it. Age, you write. Thereafter, where is the 21? Actually, one here a separator, comma you write. Thereafter, age you write. Actually, where your age is stored in age lowercase. So, after this, one comma. Then what you want to write? One label you want to write. That you write. As a result of that, because of this string, age is printed. Because of this variable, 21 is printed. Because of this string again, this is also label like years. Every time behave like professional. This may be day one for you, but don't feel like a student. Feel like a professional. All professional programmers write like this. Whatever they write, one value, what is that right? If it is feet, they write feet. If it is square feet, they write square feet. If it is years, they write years. So like this, you have to write and everything. I think I explained every bit. Then after that, you save it. You save after typing this program perfectly and all that. You save it. And what name? Saving means you have to give a name. So which name you have to give? Because to identify this program, now PFG 1.py. The py, why py? As it is a Python program, PFG1 py. You write, your program is saved. Thereafter, now you execute it. Execute means on the top already GDB compiler I explained and all that. For saving purpose, one option is there, one button. Using that you save it. Thereafter you run, that is execute it. If no errors are there, then your program outputs like this.